Holystone HS700 FPV drone with 1080p HD camera, live video and GPS. Return home, RC quadcopter for adults, beginners with brushless motor. Follow me, 5G Wi-Fi transmission, compatible with GoPro camera. Upgraded 1080p FHD camera, 1080p FHD lenses with 120 degrees FOV and 90 degrees adjustable angle that help you capture every aerial moment. 5G FPV Wi-Fi transmission lets you see what your drone sees, provides you with clear and fluent live video feed from up to 1,600 feet away, offers a thrilling flight experience. GPS auto return home. GPS positioning prevents drone loss. The drone will automatically return to home when its battery is low or loss signal, helps you fly safely. Easy and fun to fly, assisted with headless mode, altitude hold and one-key takeoff landing functions, and up to 15-minute flying time. Perfect drone for kids or beginners. Follow me mode. The drone will automatically follow and capture your every move. You can take photos or videos the way you like. Ideal selfie drone. Advanced 5G 1080p FHD camera. The upgraded camera with 110 degrees fog lens gives a panoramic view for recording your unforgettable moment. 5G 1300 FT transmission ensures high-quality real-time video, ideals for selfie. GoPro Hero 2/3 4 compatible, GPS-assisted flight with GPS location. The drone can hover stably and automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is lost. Shot with ease when the drone can follow you or fly in a circle along the path you set. 20 mins max flight time. The high-capacity 2800 mAh intelligent battery yields up to 20 mins flight time. It also has low power alert. You can immerse yourself in a substantial flight. Brushless motor. It is so quiet but very powerful when running. Breakdown rarely occurs and motor replacement is seldom required, which makes your flight more enjoyable. Simple control, quick launch by pressing one key. Quick release propellers can be set up with no. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.